Hi. In this demonstration, we show how to use Skyline's TerraExplorer measurement analysis tools when constructing a new apartment building. Once the site for the building is selected, I want to measure the area. For this, I use the Terrain Area Measurement tool. Marking the area, I could choose whether to measure the horizontal plane area and perimeter or the terrain surface. As part of leveling an area for construction, it's important to know how much soil must be removed or added. From the Objects tab, I click on the Modify Terrain object and mark the area. In the Property sheet, for the Elevation Behavior property, I can select Crop Above, Crop Below, or Replace to level the area. Using the Volume Analysis tool, I select the Leveled Area object to analyze the amount of soil that was removed or added. Observe the results that are displayed at the bottom of the dialog. This location fits the requirements. I can now place the 3D model of the building. The Vertical Measurement tool allows me to measure the vertical difference between 2 points. I click on the start point and on the end point to measure the height of the roof. The Horizontal Measurement tool measures the horizontal distance between 2 or more points without taking into account the elevation difference. Using the 3D Plane Measurement tool, I can measure the size of the commercial billboard. There is concern that the new building may obstruct drivers' field of vision when they are driving toward the crossroad. I select the Timespan Viewshed on-route analysis tool and mark the road. From the Property sheet, I select the distance between the viewsheds along the route, the length of the viewshed from the viewer, the time span, and click Calculate. Using the time slider, the viewshed results can be toggled on and off based on the time span of each analyzed point. The building is located along the river. During winter rains, the river may overflow. Using the Flood Analysis tool, I can calculate the land areas that are at the risk of flooding. I select the continuous rise scenario and define the flood parameters. Let's analyze a scenario where the water will rise from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. at a rate of 30 centimeters per hour. I want to take flood samples every half hour. I define the area to start analyzing. Great, the banks are high enough to prevent flooding. Now I want to check if the promenade can be seen from the top floor apartments. The Line of Sight tool provides a visual indication of whether a specific location can be seen from selected positions. The balcony blocks the line of sight for some of the windows. So what actually can be seen from these windows? The Viewshed tool indicates which areas of the terrain are visible from the viewpoint by coloring them in green, and which areas are not by coloring them in red. In this demonstration, we showed how Skyline's TerraExplorer measurement analysis tools can be used when constructing a new apartment building.